In this lesson, we're going to talk about social media traffic. Let's get started. Email marketing is considered the most effective channel for reaching out to your customers, assuring your brand to get more open and click-through rates. To grow your list, you must expand your resources as to where you can find more potential leads for your business. Most people are already on social media channels. You'll have a wider range of potential leads as you tap into the world of social media. On Facebook, there are already 2 billion active users, while on Instagram, there are already 1 billion active users and more than 500 million use the platform daily. If you tap on the right target market, you will definitely attract more people to add into your mailing list. Drive your followers to your websites. Post content that will encourage your social media followers to go to your website where they can download your free offers in exchange for their contact information like their email address. People will not care to click on your link to visit your website's landing page if they won't get something in return for free. So make sure to give them a free offer to encourage them to click on the link you have posted. Include a call to action button in your bio. Let's take a look at Facebook. Let's say that you already have a Facebook page. In this section, you may notice a button that people can click on as they go to your Facebook page. This is the call to action button. When you place your mouse over this button, you have the options to test this button, edit the button, and delete the button. Let's click Edit. From these options, you can choose which call to action you can use for getting social media traffic. If you click on Contact You, you can have more options like Contact Us, Send Message, Call Now, Sign Up, Send Email, and WhatsApp. Let's try Sign Up. Click Next. In this section, you will see a preview of how the call to action button will be seen on your Facebook page. You want to send people to the page where they can sign up. This could be a landing page to capture their name and email address. Input the link here. This is where your visitors will be redirected so that they can submit their email address. Let's test the button. As people click on the sign up call to action button, they will be redirected to this landing page that you have set. They can input their email address here and submit them. As you have linked this to your autoresponder, you will be able to save it automatically to your mailing list. If you take a look at the About section, you can also include your website here so that when people check this out, they can click on your website and be one of your potential leads. Now let's go to our Instagram account. As you can see, the Instagram bio is the first part of your profile that your followers will see. You must have a link here that will redirect your followers to your landing page where they can submit their email address. You may notice that I have linked my Facebook page here. Click Edit Profile. Let's change it to the same landing page that we have linked to our Facebook page. You may notice that we have placed a long URL site in our bio, and that does not look professional. What we can do is shorten it using Bitly. Once we have shortened the URL, we can edit our Instagram bio again. As you can see, using a shortener will look good in our profile. As people click on this link, they will see the same landing page that we have set in our Facebook page. Test out a list of call to actions that you can use on your social media profiles. Record the metrics like the number of link clicks, engagement, and visits on your profile for each call to action. This will let you know what call to action by taking a look at the metrics with a higher engagement works for you. Host social media contests. Everybody loves free stuff. They will do anything that you would instruct them to do in order to have a chance to win the contest and get the freebie. Promote your contest across social media channels to attract more people to join your contest. Also, add a high-quality photo that will attract people to join your contest and a link to a landing page that will allow people to input their email address. Adding social media to your email marketing is a great way of expanding your potential audience reach. This can attract more people that you can add to your mailing list. Now that you know about social media traffic, we can now proceed to the next topic, content traffic. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about content traffic. Let's get started. People are always searching for ways on how they can improve. They primarily use search engines like Google to find how-to articles about certain topics that they are interested in learning about. This is one way you can attract more people to be part of your mailing list. If you create topics that are specific to a certain niche, then you can attract the right people who are looking for the topics related to your content. You can create niche-related blogs. This can drive more people to your website. Let's take a look at different types of content that you can create to attract people to go to your blog. List posts. Numbers have a way of attracting people, especially in blog headlines or titles. This type of content is popular since they tell people what they can expect to find in specific topics. People can decide right away if they want to spend time reading your content. The number you place on your title will determine how long they have to commit in reading your blog to finish it. To create list posts, first, pick a topic, then pick a number. Here's an example of a list post. As people get interested in your blog, you can set up a pop-up opt-in form to capture their email address so that you can add them to your mailing list. How to post. People are more likely to find articles or blogs that can help them learn how to do certain tasks or activities. This type of content is never ending. You can make tons of how-to articles or blogs about anything, but it will be helpful for your business if you focus on the niche related to your brand. That way, you can help people who are already interested in your brand's niche. To create your how-to post, first, you have to identify a problem, then introduce a solution, then provide a step-by-step procedure of the solution, give a summary, and a conclusion. Next, product reviews. You can introduce a certain product in your blog and describe what that product is. Then you can share what you like and don't like about the product. That way, people can see the benefits that they too would also like to experience the benefits that you mentioned. If they see the cons of the product, they will be aware of it and appreciate it since you are genuine with your review. What you can do in the end is to make a recommendation and provide a call to action. It will be best to include a video of the product review, which makes it more appealing to your potential audience since people love watching reviews rather than reading an article about it. Share your expertise. If you are great at doing a certain activity or your career, you can create blog posts related to it. Provide short content that your viewers who are in the same industry as yours can relate to your topic. They will be happy to read the topics that you will post. If they see that you are an expert in your field of specialty, then they can ask for your help or avail of your services as you gain their trust and see you as an authority in your niche. Provide a solution to a problem. To find a topic that you can use in your blog, make a list of your audience's problems. Then based on those problems, create valuable content answering their problems. That way, you can attract more people who would be interested in finding a solution to their problem. Having good content can attract more people to go to your website and read more of your blogs. Be sure to create niche-related content. You'll be increasing your chances of attracting people who are interested in your topic and offer your products or services as opt-ins in that blog. Remember that blogs exist to support your business, so creating content that is related to the products or services that you offer helps attract people who could be interested in your brand. Now that you know about content traffic, we can now proceed to the next topic, YouTube traffic. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about YouTube traffic. Let's get started. YouTube is the most widely used search engine for videos. If you have good YouTube content, people who view and subscribe to your YouTube channel can be converted to your email subscribers. You can use that to your advantage so that they can go to your website or landing page and get their emails. YouTube traffic can be utilized as a great connection for people to check your videos, and you must make a way to provide a link that will redirect them to your websites or landing pages. Using your YouTube videos as traffic convinces people more to visit your website because of the free value being exchanged through the video. There are many ideas that you can use for you to bridge people from your YouTube video to your website. Common examples that are always used are using landing page redirection to get their email address in exchange for free ebooks, short courses, or free trial programs. These lead magnets can be used to bring people to your site. You can utilize this to your YouTube channel to make multiple connections to lead people to your site. Here are some strategies that you can use to connect people from your YouTube channel to your sites. Make a catchy title. Before we go to the other strategies, let's focus first on the very first thing that people will notice. That is the title of the video. You can call these as clickbait video headlines. Here's a good example. One of the best fitness YouTube channels, AthleanX. AthleanX has video headlines that are irresistible to their target audience. So remember, your title will attract your potential subscribers into watching your content. Next, optimize your thumbnails to be eye-catching. Thumbnails don't need to be complicated. Here's an example from a food channel. They make attention-grabbing thumbnails, targeting their potential audience who loves to learn more about the different ways of preparing food. Make an effort to create thumbnails in your YouTube videos. People are more likely to click on your video if they find it attractive and appealing. People are more drawn to creative visuals, so entice them to viewing your content using great thumbnails. Next, YouTube cards. One great feature of YouTube is YouTube video cards. Using this card, you can promote videos, playlists, websites, products, or blog post links at the end of your YouTube video. Here's a great example from Adam Tumernara's video. Remember to add a call to action at the end of every video. Here's another example of placing multiple cards that are incorporated at the end of the video. Next, add links in your description. People may check out the description of videos they watch on YouTube. It's a good practice to add links in your description, as this can serve as your call to actions for people who watch your video and read your description. Most of the time, people want to be redirected to a website where they can check out your products or services. You can include the links to your landing pages here or your lead magnets. Next, add a channel art. Channel art is the banner or background at the top of your YouTube channel. You can add links to your website and social media sites too. Here's a great example from Cyrus Vaziri, where he put his website link and social media links in the section. When people see your channel art and notice your website link, they can type it manually on their web browser and they can see the pop-up opt-ins there. Another example, this YouTube channel made a channel art having a link to their website and social media accounts, so people can click on this and be redirected to the website or social media links. Lastly, regularly post your YouTube content or videos to your social media and encourage your followers to be one of your subscribers. Every day, millions of people are browsing YouTube to watch videos that are entertaining, educational, and they search keywords based on their interests. It's a good practice to keep your YouTube content updated to attract more people to subscribe to your channel, and these subscribers can also be part of your email list once you add call to actions in your video and your description.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.